These objects are,
Holy shit.
they look to be round shaped, and it's really weird. It's like a fleet. They're not weather balloons, they're not planes. Definitely not helicopters or drones.
Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, you're going to be looking at this cluster of UFOs that a couple of guys caught in Ohio, and this was recent. It was a couple of days ago at the time of this video, and they do a little bit of talking about what they see out there. So I'm going to let this play in its entirety, then I'm going to bring back and I'm going to slow it down and kind of zoom in so you guys can see what they're talking about. It's a little bit hard to see, but you'll see it once I zoom in on it.
This is weird. 1, 2, 3.
That's not those are not airplanes. And like I said, I'm recording this literally through my iPhone. I'm moving the camera.
Anything like this.
These objects are,
Holy shit.
they look to be round shaped, and it's really weird. It's like a fleet. They're not weather balloons, they're not planes. Definitely not helicopters or drones.
It's around 5 p.m.
Holy. Did you see this? Look at the speed that thing did. This is insane. What the fuck?
We're disappearing.
So it's been a while since someone has captured a cluster of UFOs like this. Last time I saw something a little bit more clear like this was done in Mexico. I'm going to stabilize this just a little bit, but you guys heard in the video that as he was filming it, they started disappearing, and then there was one or two that kind of shot off to the left, from the right to the left, and I'll show that to you too. So this is kind of trying to get this stabilized a little bit without trying to distort his video too much. But there you guys, there you see a cluster of different lights in the sky. Now I don't think this is just one object. I think it's several objects that are there. I don't know, I count about maybe 12 to 15 objects, and as he's filming this, of course he's moving around, so it makes it a little bit more legit. And he said he's capturing with an iPhone, so it's pretty clear in what he captured here. And I'm glad he's kind of moving around to show the trees and the distance between the two. But one of the key things here is that that object there, you guys saw one of the lights went from the right to the left, and I'll zoom in a little bit so you can see what he's talking about here. See, there's another one right there. And then he says they suddenly disappear. So zooming in there, you guys see that? That's pretty interesting, especially that he captured this on video. If it was at night, these probably would have just been bright lights shining in. People would have probably thought they were stars or something. So this is a short video, but I wanted to show this to you guys. So put your comments down below what you guys think about this. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share this with your friends, and then stay tuned for another video I have coming tonight. I appreciate you guys watching.